Here we go. 3, 2, on.
In this episode of Trying Something New, we are gonna take advantage of Sunday Fun Day. The kids have been dying for it to do a TikTok takeover kids video. And so we said, you know what guys, let's do it.
Let's try something new.
Let's try something new. So we're gonna show you a compilation of kind of like what we did during quarantine. The kids started TikTok channels. Me and Jimmy made a bunch of cameos in them. So we hope you enjoy.
Hi honey, what you need today? Oh, can I get my nails done? Okay honey, do you like pedicure too? No, just my nails. Honey, why you don't like? Pedicure, it may look nice.
Look at him tremble. He's gonna burst a blood vessel because I dissed his wife.
Don't you like it when these diamonds look like this? I'm a little closer, sexy boy, and scratch a little.
Hi, I'm Karen. My name is Karen too. Do you spell it with a K? Sometimes.
Wow.
And we could even pay a little bit too.
Hello, we're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. I am me. She is she. Except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell which is which.
Ooh, what does this button do? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I love it. Do you like? Your dad's calling.
Oh! Uh-oh, somebody's got a frowny face.
Ooh, better luck next time. Okay, my turn.
Corona, Corona. Ooh, baby, when you cough like that, you make Corona spread fast. So be nice and please keep a good 6 feet from my body.
Hey guys, I'm gonna try a corn popsicle. Do not try that.
Oh my gosh, you guys are twins!
We're actually not twins, we're sisters.
But you guys literally talk at the exact same time.
What? No, we don't.
And you have the same moves.
What? That's so crazy.
I'm really confused right now.
Why?
You girls want some of this? Bring it on, sisters! Okay, let's do it! 5, 6, 7, 8!
Whisk, slang it out, whisk. Go metallic knife, I can shake it out, whisk.
Hi, I'm Karen. My name is Karen too. Do you spell it with a K? Sometimes.
I was busy thinking about boys. I was busy dreaming about boys.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Hey! Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. What?
Well, I'll be honest, I don't really understand, but I fell down this hill. Now I got glue on my hands and I got records on my fingers.
Ready? Okay. Hi, I'll be your guide. I'll be your GUIDE to the other side. Don't go to the netherworld. Netherworld? Did I say netherworld? Never mind. I'm the B to the double E, J, F, Q, and Jesus. I can't spell.
Ooh, what does this button do? Please, do not push the button. You have no idea what it...
Dad, check out the bird. I know, I see it, buddy. Isn't it cute? I wonder what it tastes like. What did you just say? I want to eat the bird. No, buddy, that's a cardinal. You can't. I'm gonna eat it. No, you're not. Yeah, I'm gonna catch it. Hey. And I'm gonna eat it right in front of you. Oh, God. You are just like your mother.
Welcome to Wonderland. We've got.
Okay, today I'm doing a vacuum challenge.
Can I have a peppermint?
You can have a peppermint.
That's too hot for me.
Hey!
I don't like the peppermint.
You don't like the peppermint?
No, it's too spicy.
Why are we making this video right now anyway? Well, for the past 2 weeks, we haven't gone out and adventured very much, and we are an adventure channel, and we don't like to put videos out that are not adventures. We've been grinding at the computer. We are there, 99% there. So we just said, you know what, let's get one up anyway. Let's put up a video this Sunday, and here it is.
Hey guys, what's up? Today I am gonna burn a receipt. Get a monster right here. What? That's so crazy. Show the camera. Receipts. What do you guys say? So that is how you burn your receipts that you don't like.
What did Sweet Veruca say?
Daddy, yes. Buy me North Korea.
When Veruca says,
Buy.
it's like a battle cry, and when Veruca says,
Mine.
well, I'd jelly for a spine, and if Veruca said, I'd know it.
Mom, I washed the car, I vacuumed, and I did almost everything. You forgot the dishes. Did you forget? Hey Mom, I did the dishes. Okay, you did so good. Okay, now you just need to do, just try and get the eggs off the spatula, okay honey? Okay, Mommy. You did an amazing job. Honey, you gotta sweep the floors. No. Oh, well, okay. You know what I did get? What? A big ginormous Nerf gun for you. This is the one I wanted. I know, right? It's so cool. Thank you, Mommy. Yeah, you did such an amazing job. Can we go get ice cream? Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you.
Small potatoes, small potatoes on the moon. Small
When you say yes to your kids one day out of the year, and this is what they do to you, especially on the day of your wedding.
Do it, turn you on, shawty. Tell me if I'm wrong. I can see.
The first person who sees this can comment whatever they want. So the first comment can be whatever they want. Then everyone who comments after that just has to repeat that comment. So the whole comment section is that.
Ooh, what does this button do? Please, please, do not push the button. You have no idea what it... Nothing.
It's the wind. It's just the windows.
Because it's disrespectful.
To you.
It is disrespectful
To
for
you.
one woman. Red.
To you.
It is disrespectful.
To you.
It is. First of all, it's disrespectful in general.
To you.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs. Boop. That's right.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going.
I can swear, I can joke. I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the
my God!
Oh my. Hop, 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 hop.
Run.
I just wish I could have some butter.
They see me rolling dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
Welcome to the life of an adult child. You wake up, it's time for coffee. Take a shower, it's time for coffee. Go to work, it's time for coffee. Get fired, it's time for coffee. And by 5 o'clock, it should be time for coffee.
Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you?
But first, let me take a selfie.
We just hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Everybody
Let's
cheers!
party!
Dance party! Come on, here we go. We need to dance. All right, so on this episode, we definitely got out there and tried something new. We let you in on some stuff that might be a little funny, goofy, embarrassing. Nah, not really. Who cares? We don't get embarrassed anyway.
Yeah.
But we definitely tried something new this week. We hope you guys get out there and
Try something new.
Remember to hit the like button. Try something new.